Vintage automobiles hold both historical and financial value, making careful maintenance essential. Even small dents can reduce their appeal and market worth, but repairs don't always require costly solutions. The key is finding affordable methods that preserve originality and quality. Classic car dent repair is challenging due to scarce parts, hard-to-match paint, delicate bodies, and the need to preserve authenticity. Poor or cheap fixes can cause mismatched paint, uneven surfaces, or long-term structural damage, so balancing cost and quality is vital. Several cost-effective methods can address dents without compromising value. 1. Paintless Dent Repair. PDR restores dents while preserving original paint, offering a fast and economical option for minor damage. 2. Localized panel restoration targets only the damaged area, reducing reliance on hard-to-find parts and limiting repainting. 3. Spot painting and blending provides seamless touch-ups without full resprays, maintaining much of the car's original finish. 4. DIY techniques. Simple fixes like suction devices may work for minor dents, but should be used cautiously. 5. Blending traditional and modern methods. Combining PDR with panel beading ensures durable results while preserving authenticity. To cut costs, owners should use vintage specialists, compare quotes, repair early, check insurance, and prevent damage with safe storage. Ultimately, smart repairs not only protect budgets, but also safeguard a classic car's authenticity and long-term value. Economical yet professional techniques, especially PDR and targeted painting, offer the best balance between affordability and preservation. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.